Hello, it's Victoria Gibson, and if you've been struggling to attract more coaching clients, then you're going to want to pay attention to this video, because in it I'm going to show you in detail how to create your own boutique live event where you can connect with more ideal clients. Even if you don't have a big list, I'm going to show you how you can create that using the power of Facebook and a beautiful promise, and how you can actually establish your credibility in your transformation, give some amazing value, and end up multiplying by 5 to 10 times what you will invest. And the beautiful thing is this actually doesn't have to cost a lot of money. Yes, you may have to put some spend behind ads. Yes, you may have to invest in a cost-effective space and invest your time, but that should be all that you need to invest. So come along and pay attention. I'm going to show you this in relation to something that one of my clients has put together in terms of her big drive as an intuitive motherhood mentor, is to actually help other women create motherhood circles for mothers. So create a space where they can connect with other mothers, become better mothers, and raise children who are more confident and will thrive. So a great way to get this message out, particularly as Maria has a lot of people on her list who are mothers looking for guidance in their parenting. She wanted to perhaps open that up to maybe like doulas and birth professionals, yoga teachers, women who may already work with pregnant women or mothers, but may want to add this to their repertoire. So she wanted to reach a bigger audience. So I suggested, why didn't she get a space, put on an event, and invite people to it for free? Now, one of the best reasons why you might like to do this is that you can utilize platforms like Eventbrite, which is Maria has popped that page as a free event on Eventbrite, which is actually free. You can do this on Meetup as well. Now, the reason why you might want to use Eventbrite or Meetup is that you then tap into their database of people who are interested in coming to live events, and they've perhaps already selected your category or industry. So it's like tapping into someone else's list. So you put your event up there, like the big outcomes, what they're going to get, what it's called, what they're going to get, where it is, and how long it goes for, time and date, all that kind of stuff. So once you've done that on particularly Eventbrite to start, and you can list them on both if you want, but if you start on Eventbrite, which is free to register and free to post a free event, then you can actually link this to your Facebook event, and then we can set up a Facebook ad that allows new people who see your ad, targeted people who see your ad, your potential ideal clients, to register from the ad for free. So once you've set up the page on Eventbrite to invite people to your beautiful boutique event, get out of your head that you have to have hundreds of people. Get out of your head that you have to provide food and drinks and a whole, array of catering options for people. You can invite people to a space for a few hours, provide just water, and just invest in room hire. Some places you can even get this super free, like super cheap or free. If you Google free community event spaces in your area, can be a great place to start. So if we want to keep this kind of grassroots, give people the opportunity to learn and experience some of your transformation, and then you can invite them to work deeper with you in your paid programs. There's no obligation for them to do so. They'll still get a great experience coming to your event anyway, but what you'll find is when you create these in the right way, they make a beautiful invitation into your paid programs, and also give you a whole lot more confidence than perhaps just sitting at home trying to rustle up new clients, running ads, but not having any of that real interaction, real-time feedback. So when we have the Eventbrite page, we can then go to our Facebook business page and we can create an event. Okay, so Maria's created this event here in Facebook. So you just go to the left of your Facebook page and set this up as prompted by Facebook. Super easy to do so. And you put the information there. and they can sign up on Facebook or via Eventbrite. So when we go to, say, set up an ad here for Maria, I'll just hop into her ads account and just show you how you could set this up. Now, a great way to even get started here is to set this up to warmer audiences. So using your custom audiences, uploading your list, doing a lookalike audience of your list, or creating, people who've been engaging with your Facebook pages and ads and things like that. So one of the ways that we can get started in linking this up is that we go to set up a campaign with the objective of engagement, and then we select event responses, okay? Let's leave this campaign budget optimization for the moment, and we will go into set this up, Mama Circle event, and if you've already got some custom audiences that you'd like to use, then we can grab those as your, say, a lookalike of ad post or ad engagement, or your list upload, visited sales pages. I'm not going to use those right now because she's going for a newer audience, okay? So now we need to use the location. She's going to have that in Brisbane, Australia. So I don't know why I turned that off completely. So we put Brisbane and within 25-mile radius. Yeah, that's probably about right. Now she's going to be going for professionals. So we want to probably go a little bit older. Maybe she could start at 33. Her audience is probably likely to go up to about 58, and we'll pick women. And we might want to use people like doulas. So if they're a doula, that would be great. We can ask Facebook, is there something else, like maybe even midwifery, perhaps people interested in, probably not that. Maybe I'm also thinking yoga teacher would be great. Teacher here. They're probably likely that they're going to be because we've got fewer than 1,000 people, so we might want a few more people than that. Yoga instructor, certified yoga instructor. Might even just put doula as an interest there. What else are we going to push on here? They might even be like Reiki, meditation, yes, but I probably want people who are more in the industry. Reiki Master we could put as well. Okay, that pumps it up a little bit more just to start. That would be good. For local area, that's probably a fair amount of people. For a bigger ad campaign, we'd probably want more people than that. So we can save these as Mama Circle cold traffic. And once we've started showing this to people, we can start creating lookalikes from those. And we're going to optimize for event response. And we're just going to do it for $11 to just kick it off, start looking at what that looks like. And then when we've got that Mama Circle event, we'll just pop that in there. And we'll do her page, and then we are going to do that for the actual event. So let me just select what that one is here. The Art of Leading Sacred Mama Circle. So it just pulls that event straight from Facebook, and you can add a little entry point there as well. So then we come here and we select the event that she's already created under here. And then we can add a little description and call to action above there, which we've done there to call out who we're targeting and why they might want to come. And you can see there people can write interested, or they'll be able to register when you connect with the Eventbrite option. So we click on confirm, and then we're going to have an ad that shows up in the newsfeed and attracts new people to your live event, where you get the opportunity to then create some amazing connections, inspiration, establish your credibility and authority, give great value, and invite people to work with you in your programs. So really this, I would advise doing this at least 3 to 4 weeks out, but it's possible, especially with a free event, to get some really good, strong traction within a couple of weeks. So go to it. Here's a great way for a very limited investment to get some clients into your program. Good luck and let me know how you go.